Hello and welcome to SBOeConnect 2.2 demonstration. SBOeConnect 2.2 is the latest version release of the SBOeConnect integration platform, which seamlessly integrates Magento e-commerce with SAP Business One. So let's talk about the discussion points of this video demonstration today. So this will be our core agenda of today's demonstration. First, I will brief you some details about InSync. InSync is the company which is the behind of the product development SBOeConnect. After that, we will directly get into the product SBOeConnect and introduction, the standard integration points. We will discuss in detail about the standard integration points, as well as I will show you all this integration in our live demonstration server. After that, we will see some advanced features that come up with SBOeConnect 2.2, and we will also have a look at the benefits that you will get after opting 2.2 at your own environment. So let's get into each discussion point now. SBOeConnect is the flagship product of InSync Solutions. InSync is in business since 2006, and we are providing Magento services for more than 3 years. Also, we are involved in sales and implementation of SAP Business One for more than 4 years, and we are also SAP software solution partner. SBOeConnect, the integration platform, has been certified by Intel and Microsoft, and we have a partnership with both the organizations. These are our technology partnership. So let's get into the detail of product SBOeConnect. So SBOeConnect is a simple integration platform which seamlessly integrates Magento e-commerce with SAP Business One ERP system. So with SBOeConnect, any of your entry of data in the e-commerce platform will sync back to your ERP system, and on the other hand, it also provides some B2B functionalities of uploading your ERP customers and ERP orders to the web. And also it will provide you the status sync of the web orders, invoices, and the delivery notes. So in this way, there is no need to manually input the data in the second platform. You or your customer just need to enter the data in one platform, and in another platform it will be automatically synced. So thus you can save the manpower, you can reduce the human error, and you can improve your business's overall productivity. So these are the standard integration points between Magento and SAP Business One where the data are exchanging. Customer, order, items, payment, and shipping information are exchanged between e-commerce platform and the ERP system. So let's get into the detail of first integration point, which is customer. SBOeConnect provides a bi-directional synchronization between Magento and SAP Business One in case of customers. Any of the customer registered in Magento, all the details of the customer like the contact details, the email ID, and the phone numbers, the multiple billing and shipping addresses entered and maintained in the e-commerce will be synced to the SAP Business One ERP system. SBOeConnect also support web customer synchronization across multiple websites, because we all know that Magento is able to support multiple websites under the same admin panel. So SBOeConnect will also provide you the flexibility to connect your multiple websites of the same admin panel to SAP Business One ERP system. On the other hand, you can upload selectively your ERP business partners to the multiple websites of Magento e-commerce storefront. Whenever you do any kind of upload, the SAP Business One business partners, they will get an automated email in their email ID stating their login credentials of the web account. So after getting the login credentials, they will be able to access their web account, and they will be able to place the order, to view the catalog and all. Also, whenever any web customer enter any credit card details in Magento e-commerce platform, in case your Magento e-commerce platform is PCI compliant and you are able to capture those credit card details, so SBOeConnect will be able to transfer those credit card details, can associate those credit card details with SAP Business One Business Partner Master Data payment term, So these are the basic integration capabilities that is associated with SBOeConnect 2.2, and now let's have a look at these integration capabilities in our demonstration server. So as you can see in my screen, this is a simple Magento installation with the default template is showing here. Now if I am going to my account, and if I create a customer here, I'm going to my account and clicking on the create an account, quickly entering some customer detail here like the first name, last name, and an email ID for this customer, a gender, and the login password for the web account. So I have just entered some information, basically the personal information of a web customer within my Magento e-commerce platform, and the account is created here as you can see. So now let me put some addresses. So quickly putting some addresses here. Telephone number, fax number, street address, city, state, and the country, and it's going with. So now I'm saving this address here. So this will be my default billing address and default shipping address in Magento e-commerce platform. So in this way you can maintain multiple other shipping addresses in your Magento e-commerce web account. So all these addresses along with the personal information of the customer will be synced back to SAP Business One Business Partner Master Data. So let us have a look in our SAP Business One ERP system now. So let's move into our SAP Business One demonstration server. So I can see whenever I have logged in my SAP Business One server, I can see there is an alert coming in which is stating that a customer has been added with a web customer code here. So this is the new web customer which is added, and all of the web events, whether it's a customer registration or whether customer updated something in the web, all these details will be appearing as an alert within SAP Business One. So let's go to the business partners and let's check this web customer details here. I'm searching through the name. So this is the web customer details that has been synced back from Magento to SAP Business One. This is the Magento customer first name and last name concatenated here, and this is the Magento telephone number which I have added as the customer telephone number in Magento. This is the fax ID, this is the email ID, and these three UDFs actually representing some Magento details like the web customer group under which this web customer is associated in Magento. By default, all web customers after registration assigned to the general group. So the same information of general group appearing within my web customer group, field here, UDF here. And this is the customer website. This is showing because I have registered this customer under base website, so the same information appearing here. And this is the customer gender which I have added in Magento. If I switch on to my addresses tab, I'll be able to see my bill to address and my ship to address that I have entered within Magento e-commerce. So in this way, SBOeConnect will sync all customer details of Magento to SAP Business One ERP system. So in this way, as you can just see that web customer details appearing within my ERP system. Now on the reverse functionality, as I have described in the presentation, that I'll be able to selectively upload my ERP business partners to my Magento e-commerce platform. So let's add some, let's have a look at some existing customer within my ERP system that I want to upload to Magento. So if I go to the find mode and search through some customer detail here, I can see this is a customer which is added within my SAP Business One ERP system as business partner, and I want to upload this customer to the web, to Magento e-commerce platform. So when you are uploading your existing or new business partners to the web, you just need to take 3-4 steps. The first thing is that you need to assign this customer under some customer group, because this is a mandatory field in Magento. So I want this customer to be a wholesaler in my Magento e-commerce platform. I want to upload this customer to the base website of Magento, because there can be multiple websites within the Magento e-commerce platform. And this customer is as a gender, this is male, so I am adding this. If I go to my addresses tab, I can see the default billing and shipping address set within the ERP system. So when you are done by adding these 3 UDFs, just you need to click on the web customer flag. So this flag actually differentiates your SAP default business partner and your SAP web business partner. So I want this customer to have a web presence. So I am just clicking on the update button. So whenever I click on the update button, this customer details have been updated, and this will automatically be uploaded to my e-commerce storefront, and customer will get an email at this email ID stating their web credentials, that this email ID will going to be their login user ID, and a system generated password will be emailed to their mailbox. So by getting the login credentials and the web hyperlink of the Magento storefront, they can click on the hyperlink and they can access their web account by this email ID as their username, and the system generated password they will get in their mailbox. So in this way, now let's check the details in our Magento e-commerce platform about this business partner. So if I go to my Magento e-commerce storefront now, I need to go to my admin panel, because I do not know the system generated password. It will be strictly emailed to the corresponding customer. So I need to go to my admin panel of Magento and need to generate the customer list. So whenever the customer list will be populated, I'll be able to see this is the customer which is actually uploaded from SAP Business One to the Magento e-commerce storefront and assigned to the wholesale group as I have selected within SAP Business One. If I get into the detail of this customer, I'll be able to see the billing, shipping address and all the details which I have entered or already present within SAP appears within my Magento storefront. So this is going to be the default billing, shipping address for this customer. So in this way, you can easily upload your ERP business partners selectively to the web. So if you have 1,000 business partners and you only want to have web presence of 500 out of them, you can easily control this feature within the SAP Business One itself. So moving on to the next segment of the integration point is item. So in item integration, you have the ability to promote your ERP items as the web products in your e-commerce storefront. So you have the ability to upload your SAP Business One items as simple, configurable, bundled or grouped product types to the multiple websites of your Magento e-commerce storefront. So you can upload the item as simple or complex product types, and you can upload the item in just one go to multiple websites. Also, if you have some existing web store and you have thousands of items already defined within your Magento storefront that you want to download to your SAP Business One, you can easily do that. SBOeConnect will be able to download your new and existing ERP e-commerce products to your ERP system. So this is the facility provided by SBOeConnect. SBOeConnect is fully supporting multiple images for a product. As you all know that in Magento we can maintain multiple images against a product, but in SAP Business One side only one image can be associated in the item master data screen against an item. But with SBOeConnect, the added functionality provided where you will be able to attach multiple images against an item before uploading that. And also if you are downloading web product from Magento to SAP, all the available images defined in Magento will come up within your SAP Business One, and in this way SBOeConnect supports multiple images. Whenever you do any kind of stock update within your SAP Business One, it will be immediately reflect within your web inventory. That means your web inventory will be instantly updated whenever you update any stock within B1. And whenever you place any order in Magento e-commerce, your web inventory will get decreased, and when that order synchronized back to SAP, it will also decrease the ERP inventory as well. So in this way, you and your customer will always get the most updated inventory in your e-commerce storefront, which is integrated with your ERP inventory. Any kind of product update other than the stock, like the pricing or product description or any other detail, whenever you update that within one platform, it will be reflected in the other. Also, you can able to control the periodic special pricing, like a Christmas pricing. In Christmas sale, you want to provide 25% discount on particular selected items. So you can control that within SAP Business One as periodic special pricing, and that will you can upload to Magento e-commerce. Also, you can attach the SAP Business One price list with the Magento web customer group. So customer group specific discounted pricing can be controlled through SBOeConnect and can be controlled by the SAP user. So now let's have a look at these functionalities in our demonstration server. So in my SAP Business One, I have this item in my item master data. This is the item number is K004. This is a keyboard item which I want to upload to my Magento e-commerce. So the item which you want to upload to your Magento e-commerce, you just need to add those items to the screen which is called items web data. So the screen is actually an enhanced version of item master data and provides you the flexibility that you can put all the Magento mandatory details within the screen, and you can upload the item as a ready product for online sales in your Magento e-commerce platform. You do not need to re-enter any detail within Magento. This is the first facility, and the second facility is that you can attach multiple images against an item here within the screen. And the third facility is in your Magento platform, in your SAP Business One platform, you have 1,000 web products. Some of them are finished goods, some of them are can be intermediary items, some of them can be like the raw materials, and you only want to display the finished goods to the web. So in this way, it provides you the flexibility to selective upload to your Magento e-commerce storefront. So this is the item group you need to put here, SAP item group, and this is the item number. So your SAP Business One item number will be treated as the SKU of Magento e-commerce storefront. This is the enabled field. That means this item will be enabled for online shopping in Magento, and this item will be visible in the online catalog of the e-commerce storefront. This is the product tags class that I am mentioning here, a mandatory field of Magento, and I can put some short description here for the customer who visits the catalog. This product is a simple type of product that is going to be in Magento, but I can upload ERP items as configurable, grouped or bundled product to the Magento e-commerce storefront. So in this way, simple and complex product types can be fully supported through SBOeConnect. I can upload this item to multiple websites at the same time. So I want to upload this item to all 3 websites. So this will be uploaded to all 3 websites. Also, I can put some attributes within this screen, like all of my Magento attribute set will be available along with the attribute details. So if I want to put some color or some size or some manufacturer against this item, I can set within my SAP Business One itself. In the images tab, I can put multiple images. I can associate multiple images against this item. So I am adding some images against this item, and in the category in your Magento e-commerce storefront, there can be multiple web stores. So the category list will be displayed store wise. So currently I only have 2 categories defined, so I'm selecting one, but in the live environment or production environment, there can be thousands of categories. We have seen for few customers that there are more than 10,000 categories. So SBOeConnect will be support all those 10,000 categories across all the web stores. So I am adding this item within the screen after mentioning or defining all the details. So I have defined multiple images against an item. I have defined some default fields of Magento. So now let's check this item to my Magento e-commerce storefront. This will be uploaded automatically to the e-commerce storefront. So I am within the Magento admin panel. Let's go to the catalog and manage products. whenever the products list will be populated, I'll be able to see my item. So this is my item which is actually added in ERP system, and this item uploaded to Magento e-commerce storefront. Currently there is no quantity defined for this item, so the same value you can see here, there is no quantity against this item. Whenever I will update any kind of stock within my SAP Business One, the same information will appear here. So in this way you can upload your ERP items to the web. Also, if you add any product within your e-commerce storefront from admin panel, like you can add simple, configurable, bundled or grouped product types, all these products can be downloaded to your ERP system. If you already have defined some existing products within your e-commerce system, that can also be downloaded to SAP Business One. It can be thousands of products that are already defined within your Magento e-commerce platform. So all these products will be available within your V1 ERP system. So now let's check the stock update. Whenever I take some stock in my SAP Business One system, so let's take some stock here. I'm quickly going to the inventory transactions, goods received, and I'm quickly taking some stock against this item. So whenever I will take some stock, this stock will be uploaded to my Magento e-commerce platform. So let's quickly add some stock here. So whenever you update any stock through goods received process or through a proper purchase cycle within your ERP system, that stock will automatically be uploaded to the Magento e-commerce and will update the web inventory accordingly. So now if I go to my Magento e-commerce platform, and if I see the same details, same product page, I'm just refreshing this product page here. So as the stock is updated within V1 system, so you can see the same stock update already happened within my Magento e-commerce storefront. Also, if I get into the detail of the product, I'll be able to see all the defined details, all the details which I have defined within my SAP Business One appears within my Magento e-commerce storefront, along with the multiple images which I have added within SAP Business One. So in this way, item integration point works bidirectionally from Magento to SAP Business One and from SAP Business One to Magento e-commerce platform. So now let's move on to the next segment of this demonstration session, which is in order integration touch point. Whenever any web customer place any order, that order will automatically sync back to SAP Business One and will be treated as a new sales order within V1 ERP system. So the order can be placed by a registered customer, or the order can be placed by a guest customer. So in both cases, it can be guest checkout order or it can be registered checkout order. The order will be synchronized back to the ERP system. All the tax, shipping charges calculated within at the time of placing the order within the e-commerce platform will be reflected just as calculated in the e-commerce system. It will be reflected as it is within the ERP system. So we have established, SBOeConnect has established a proper value mapping facility for tax and shipping charges. On the other hand, the shipping method that you have defined and the payment that you have defined within the Magento e-commerce platform at the time of placing the online order, it will be synchronized back to SAP Business One because it is also value mapped. So the same information you can see in SAP Business One sales order. SAP user can place the sales order on behalf of customer in the ERP system. This is a B2B functionality that is available with SBOeConnect, that the SAP user can place the order within the ERP system, and that web or that ERP sales order can be uploaded as the web order to Magento. Whenever the SAP user do any kind of delivery of the sales order, that delivery document will be uploaded to Magento and will be treated as a new shipment document within Magento e-commerce platform. It is corresponding to the delivery document, and the web order status will be changed because of the delivery within the ERP system. Also, whenever SAP user generates the AR invoice, that invoice will be uploaded to Magento e-commerce platform and web customer will be able to see that that web invoice within their web account, and they can also print that AR invoice. So let's have a look at this order integration point within our demonstration server. So I'm going to place the order on the newest item which I have added. I am searching through that item within my Magento e-commerce platform. This is the item which I have added, and the stock is also updated against this item. I'm quickly clicking on the add to cart. Whenever I will see my shopping cart, there are two options that I can see at the time of checkout. The first option is proceed to checkout. That means straight away checkout with no other option. And another option that is giving here is the checkout with multiple addresses. That means if you have multiple quantity for this item and you want to ship one quantity of this item to USA and another quantity of this item to UK, you can easily do that in Magento e-commerce platform. And all these multiple shipping addresses will generate multiple orders within Magento, and it is fully supported with SBOeConnect. That SBOeConnect will be able to sync back all these web orders to SAP Business One system. So both the option like the proceed to checkout and checkout with multiple addresses are supported by SBOeConnect. So I'm quickly clicking on the first option, which is proceed to checkout, selecting the ship to address and bill to address here, and I'm selecting a shipping method here. So in payment information, SBOeConnect will be able to support any kind of online payment option like PayPal or authorized.net, any payment gateway, like there can be Ogon, there can be other payment gateways. So SBOeConnect will support all of that. On the other hand, if your Magento is PCI compliant and is able to capture the credit card information, that means most obviously this will happen for Magento Professional and Enterprise Edition, where the payment bridge is already installed within Magento. So SBOeConnect will also be able to transfer those credit card information to the SAP Business One ERP system. So let's quickly place the order through the online payment here in the demonstration process. And after reviewing the order, I can see some shipping charges and tax calculation has been done. I am placing this order here within the Magento e-commerce storefront. So whenever you place the order, the web order will automatically synchronize back to the ERP system. So let's have a look at our SAP Business One demonstration server here. So I am within the SAP Business One server, and you can see whenever a web order placed in Magento, it comes up as an alert within SAP Business One. So by clicking on the alert, I can see that that an order has been placed. This is the SAP Business One order ID, and the customer is Harry Potter. So now if I go to my sales order, I can see the order details within my SAP Business One system. So this is the order which I have placed within Magento, appears within my SAP Business One system with all the details. If I go to the logistics tab, I can see this is the billing and shipping address. So in this way, the web order will synchronize back to your ERP system. Now if I click on the copy to delivery button, so this will be my corresponding delivery note for that order. In the logistics tab, you can put a tracking number here. So you know that at the time of delivery, you generally use some shipping service provider like UPS, USPS or FedEx. So any kind of shipping service provider that you will use to ship the web order to the customer, you will generally get an tracking number from the shipping service provider. So the tracking number you generally send to the customer through an email, or you generally call the customer and tell them the tracking number to track their web order. So with SBOeConnect, you do not need to do that. You can just put the tracking number within at the time of generating the delivery note, and you just need to click on the add delivery note button. So this delivery note has been added within my SAP Business One system. So this delivery note will be automatically uploaded to Magento and will create a corresponding shipment document within the Magento e-commerce platform. And the customer will be able to see the tracking number within their web account, and also they will get an email where the tracking number and the shipment details will be mentioned. So now check the details within my Magento web account that I have registered here. So if I go to my account, I'll be able to see the order status changes. That means the current status of the order is processing. Processing means that it has been shipped. Now if I click on the view order link, I can see there is a link appears with the order which is called shipments. So this is the document which is corresponding to the delivery document of SAP Business One. Here it is providing me all the details regarding the shipment, the shipping method, the shipping address and all. And if I go to below section, I'll be able to see the tracking number which I have entered within my SAP Business One ERP system and appears within my web account. Also this tracking number and this shipment details, whenever you generate the delivery note, these details will be emailed to the customer in their mailbox and they will get all these details in that corresponding email. So now let's move on to the next feature, which is invoice. So in SAP Business One, whenever you generate the invoice from the corresponding delivery document, this invoice will be uploaded to the Magento e-commerce storefront. So you can see this is the AR invoice here. So now if I'm going to add, I'm going to add this AR invoice within the ERP system. So whenever I add this invoice will be automatically uploaded to the Magento web account and customer can see the invoicing details. So I have added the invoice. Now let's check the invoice details within Magento e-commerce storefront. So now if I again click on the my account link and go to the account details, I can see the web order status has been changed to complete. So that means the invoice has been raised against this customer. If I click on the view order button, I can see there is a link appear within the order detail, invoices link. So this is the invoice which is the corresponding SAP Business One invoice which appears within the web account. So customer can see this invoice detail that the invoice has been raised against their payment and they can print this invoice from their web account easily. So let's move on to the next segment of this demonstration process, which is payment and shipping integration. So in the payment and shipping integration, the first item is payment. SBOeConnect is able to support any kind of online payment option and all payment gateways. Payment status will be available within SAP Business One against the online payment. So suppose you are using any online payment option like PayPal or Authorize.net or any other payment gateways. So the successful or failure payment status, whatever happened in the payment gateway platform, payment gateway interface, that will sync back to SAP Business One if you require that. SBOeConnect also support PCI compliance in Magento. That means if your Magento card is PCI compliant and you are able to capture your credit card information within Magento, SBOeConnect will be able to transfer that credit card information easily within your backend ERP system. That means in your SAP Business One, you will get all the credit card details attached with your AR invoice. In shipping method and shipping charges will be synced from Magento to SAP Business One. So whenever customer selects the shipping method at the time of checkout, that shipping method will be available within SAP Business One sales order, and the shipping charges calculated at the web platform will appear as freight within SAP Business One ERP system. And as you have already seen, the tracking number you can enter at the time of generating delivery note, and that tracking number will be synced to Magento e-commerce platform so that customer can track their own shipment. So that is all with the core offerings of SBOeConnect regarding the integration. Now some advanced features added with SBOeConnect 2.2 version. So let's have a look at the advanced features. SBOeConnect 2.2 is able to synchronize multiple addresses across both the platform, because we all know that in Magento you can maintain multiple shipping addresses. Also you can maintain multiple addresses in SAP Business One Business Partner Master Data. So SBOeConnect will be able to ship those, to sync those multiple addresses across both the platform in bidirectional mode. SBOeConnect 2.2 eliminates any chances of data redundancy across the customer master data, because we all know the customer master data is the precious information for any organization. So whenever any web customer registered and it generates an automated web customer ID within your Magento e-commerce platform, that web customer ID will be prefixed and suffixed with two different strings that you can configure easily within the connector, and after that it will be synced back to SAP Business One business partner master data. So in this way, SBOeConnect eliminates any chances of data redundancy within the synchronization process. Now with SBOeConnect 2.2, an excellent functionality added where the web orders can be synchronized as draft. This is very necessary for the organizations who are generally do the manufacturing after getting the order from the web and after confirmation of the payment, like for jewelry business, where the customer is generally getting the order from the web and after the confirmation of the payment they generally do the manufacturing. So till that time the web order will be treated as draft within SAP Business One, and when the payment is confirmed or the customer has contacted with the business owner, after that the business owner can transfer or transform that draft to the SAP Business One sales order. So this is the advanced feature provided with the 2.2 version. SBOeConnect 2.2 has proved to be an excellent solution in terms of supporting multiple websites within Magento. You can add the SAP Business One price list with a Magento particular website. That means your different website will have different price as per SAP Business One price list. So at the time of product upload, you can upload your ERP item to the web, but the price as per the SAP Business One price list attached with the website, that price will be uploaded to the particular website. So in this way, it generally supports multiple website along with multiple price, which is integrated with the SAP price list. Currency conversion is one of the key issue for the business owners, because generally their web e-commerce platform can be in any country and can be in any other localization and with any other currency, but their SAP system is generally supports and have a local or system currency. So whenever any web order downloaded to their e-commerce from their e-commerce to their ERP system, the currency conversion will be done automatically with SBOeConnect 2.2. SBOeConnect 2.2 has an excellent user experience in terms of introducing new wizards within the user interface. So whenever any customer configure the connector as per their requirement, they need to reconfigure the connector as per their requirement. They can use this step-by-step interactive configuration wizard to easily configure their settings. So this is the core offering of SBOeConnect. You can see at a glance that SBOeConnect supports mainly 5 entities for integration: the customer, order, item, payment and shipping information, synchronizing between these two platforms, and all of the synchronization will done automatically, and all of the synchronization is bi-directional. That means in both the way. So one question may come up in your mind, that what kind of benefit that you will get from SBOeConnect 2.2. So the benefit that you will get is the easy to use user interface. The integration interface is quite easy to use, which you can easily master in that within a very short time. So the learning curve to learn this system is very less. It completely maps the ERP and the e-commerce business process, because we all know both these platforms and the business processes are different, but with SBOeConnect the business processes are mapping with each other. SBOeConnect 2.2 provides a fully automatic integration between these two platforms. After a predefined time interval of 3 minutes, Magento and SAP Business One will integrate with each other and will exchange whatever data are available. That means it can be after 3 minutes, if it founds 50 web orders, 100 customers to synchronize. So it will synchronize all, and when no data is available, it will again get idle. The automated service will again get idle for another 3 minutes. SBOeConnect is compatible with Magento Community, Professional and Enterprise Edition, and on the other hand it is compatible with SAP Business One 2007, 8.8 and 8.81, which is the latest version. It is quite easy to implement. All the implementation will be done remotely, and we have an excellent remote support team at your local time zone, so there will be no problem for the remote support and remote implementation. And SBOeConnect provides a seamless connectivity across these two platforms, streamlining the entire monitoring process. You can monitor each and every integration process, and the proper error logs and sync logs are associated with the integration system. So these are some case study where our customer has provided us a case study about their product, and they have provided us a testimonial what they feel about SBOeConnect. This is one case study for one of our UK customers, Pico International, and this is another case study for our another customer of Netherlands, which is Nutrimind. So both of the customers and many other customers have benefited by getting their SBOeConnect installed at their system. It increases their ROI a lot. So we would also like to thank all our customers and prospects for giving us their valuable feedback and suggestion, which become the key consideration points for continuous enhancement of the SBOeConnect product. If you have any questions or if you have any doubts, please feel free to contact us. We will be happy to answer all of your questions. But before that, please visit our website for more details, which is www.sboeconnect.com. Also, you can write down your question directly to us at sboeconnect@insync.co.in, which is the official email ID of our product. Also, all the phone numbers you can see in your screen. This is the phone numbers where you can contact us 24/7. All these contact information are already provided in our website. So if you forget any contact information, you can visit SBOeConnect.com to get this contact information from the website. Thank you for your time, and thank you for your interest in our product. Hope we will meet soon.